Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this quick video, I'm gonna share with you a strategy that will give you no choice but to be successful with affiliate marketing. All right, so it's very simple to do. It can be very effective, but you do have to take action. All right, so here's what it is. You want to find 1 to 2 platforms where you feel your customers are at and where you feel most comfortable being on. All right, so if you love being on Facebook, right, and that's your thing, you're always on there, you like posting, you like joining groups and all that stuff, great. If you're a YouTuber like myself and you love doing YouTube videos and YouTube shorts, all that, great. If you're a Pinterest person, you like posting up pins, great, whatever. Find 1 to 2 platforms. If you got the time, you can slip in 3 if you can, but just stick with 1 to 2. And the concept is go hard with the content. Create tons of content. And you might be thinking, duh, you know what I'm saying? Like, psh, duh, but are you doing it? This is the question. Are you doing it? Because the difference between, I'm gonna post, once every 4 days, I'm just gonna slide a little post, or I'm gonna do a YouTube video, here and there. That's not gonna cut it, right? You might get some sales here and there, that's cool. But like, if you really wanna get it in and start seeing real results, you're going to have to put out a lot of content. And not just to get eyeballs on your offers, but this allows you to see what really works. Because if you're putting out a lot of content, you can see what's working and what's not, right? If you're only doing 1 or 2 things a week, right, you can't even gauge what's going on, because all you know is nothing's going on, because you're not even producing enough content to see what's going on, right? So I'm doing this myself, right? So I'm not just talking to talk. I'm consistent with YouTube. I'm stepping up my YouTube shorts, right? I recommend everybody, I don't care what niche you in, like whatever you're promoting, man, you need to be on YouTube, right? Especially the fact that, YouTube shorts are getting so popular and they're so easy to create. There's no excuse why you shouldn't be on YouTube at this point. Even if your whole channel is strictly about shorts, where you're just doing 15, 20-second video clips, on whatever it is you're promoting, that should be, definitely something you should be doing. But, beyond that, you need to be just creating content. If you're the Facebook person, right, getting them groups, posting them groups every day. Take time, sit down and create create your own ads, right? Write them down, get creative and just drop them, right? Drop them, just ad after ad, right? Group after group, play around with different images, different sayings, different call to actions, right? And just be a monster with it, right? It's like guerrilla marketing. Just go all in, because like, it's money to be made out here, right? People are making money with affiliate marketing. So if you're watching this video and you're struggling and you new, don't worry about it. Just make time for it. And you might be thinking, but I work a 9 to 5 right now, bro. I can't go hard like you say you doing. Just, yes, you can. Because even if you work in a 9 to 5 job, right? If you can just fit 1 hour out your day, find that hour. You know how much, think about this for a second. Real talk. In an hour, no joke, you can produce at least 4 to 5 YouTube shorts. Think about that, right? So let's just go even beyond that. Just say, for example, in an hour, you do 2 YouTube shorts. Two, you post them up, right? That's Monday through Friday. That's 10 videos you got working for you while you're at your 9 to 5. You got 10 videos going out a week promoting your offers, right? And with the right titles and the tags and write your little description, you can start driving traffic and just keep it going, right? But if you can do 4 YouTube shorts in an hour, 4, right? 4 times 5, that's 20 videos a week. Think about it. And same thing, if you on Facebook, I was talking to somebody the other day. If you on Facebook and that's what you do, you don't even mess with YouTube. You got Facebook groups, right? If you're involved with like 50 Facebook groups, right, related to your niche, whatever it is, right? 50 Facebook groups. If you can go in there, you know how easy it is to copy and paste an ad, an image, and or something that you wrote, right? You know how many ads you could post in 1 hour a day on Facebook? Honestly, you should be able to do a good 30 to 40 ads a day. A day. Think about it. That's only 1 hour. And I ain't even talking if you can handle 2 hours a day for your affiliate marketing, your online business. So there's no excuses, guys. And that's the ultimate strategy. If you do this and you do it consistently and you kind of tweak stuff, if stuff ain't working, don't quit. If you did all these ads or videos and you're not getting traction, that's not the sign to quit. All right, that's a sign to say, all right, you know what, let's tweak a little bit. Let me try some new messages. Let me try a different style of video. Let me just see. If you don't quit and you keep on working, you're going to get results. You have to just stick with it. All right, so if you're watching this video, take action right now. Find those platforms and start producing a ton of content. All right. Now, if you want to check out an affiliate marketing system that will teach you how to start earning $50, $150, and even $300 instant commissions, watch this video right here.